Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the place where wheels meet wonder. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most innovative, surprising, and downright futuristic vehicles of the year, the 2025 tiny house motorhome. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another RV. Another van with a bed and a sink. Nope. This is something else entirely. This is not just a car. It's a lifestyle on four wheels. From the outside, it might look like a sleek, compact van, modern, aerodynamic lines, matte-finished body with high ground clearance, and large panoramic windows. But the magic begins when you slide open the door. Instantly, you're stepping into a world that feels more like a designer studio apartment than a vehicle. It's engineered to be a tiny house, and I don't use that term lightly. We're talking about full-fledged livability. The first thing that hits you is the space optimization. The designers have clearly obsessed over every inch. There's a transforming modular seating area at the front that turns into a bed at night. During the day, it doubles as a dining nook with a fold-out table and swivel chairs. All of this, cleverly stored away when not in use. Move a little deeper, and you'll find a kitchenette that feels straight out of a Scandinavian apartment. Induction cooktop, smart sink with temperature control, a built-in fridge, and yes, even a convection microwave. Above it, plenty of storage space with soft close drawers and magnetically sealed cabinets, perfect for long trips with no rattling sounds on the road. Now, here's where it gets really crazy. This motorhome features a self-contained bathroom module. That means a full-functioning shower, a composting toilet, and a small vanity. And it's not some cramped corner stall either, it actually feels usable, with smart ventilation and moisture control. You can live in this thing for weeks without feeling claustrophobic. What powers this beast? Under the hood, the 2025 model uses a hybrid electric system. It gives you an impressive range of over 600 miles, with solar panels on the roof supplementing the battery charge. That means you can park at a campsite, charge up during the day, and stay off-grid without constantly looking for hookups or gas stations. There's also a control center panel inside, fully digital, voice-activated, and connected to your smartphone. Lights, temperature, water usage, battery status, everything is right there, just a voice command away. And yes, it's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even satellite connectivity for remote locations. Basically, you're never out of touch. Driving this thing is surprisingly smooth. Adaptive suspension adjusts based on road conditions. It's got all-wheel drive for rugged paths, and even auto-leveling when parked, so your tiny house always stays flat, no matter the terrain. And yes, parking assist is included. Parallel parking a mini house has never been easier. Who is this vehicle for? Digital nomads, adventurers, solo travelers, or even couples looking for a minimalistic life on the road. This is not your average RV, it's a smart, mobile habitat that could genuinely replace an apartment for the right person. Now let's talk price. Starting around $87,000, this isn't exactly cheap. But when you think about what you're getting, transportation, accommodation, freedom, and technology all rolled into one, it suddenly starts to feel like a bargain. Compare that to a year of rent in a big city, and you'll see what I mean. Is it perfect? Not entirely. Storage could be more generous for long-term living, and the composting toilet may take getting used to. But these are small trade-offs for the mobility and freedom you get in return. So, is the 2025 tiny house motorhome worth it? In our opinion, absolutely. Yes. It's more than a car. It's a glimpse into the future of how we might live and travel. If you've ever dreamed of waking up in the mountains one day, and by the ocean the next, without ever packing a suitcase, this vehicle makes that dream real. Thanks for watching this in-depth review here on Car Reviewpedia. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reviews of futuristic vehicles that redefine how we live, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. We've got more rolling homes and automotive innovations coming your way. See you on the road. Let me know if you'd like this adapted to a specific car brand, or if you need a Japanese language version too.